Single-family homes in San Jose at an attainable price point are becoming increasingly rare. Welcome to 1491 Florida Avenue. This updated 3-bedroom home offers comfort today and real upside for the future. Come take a look. This is a golden opportunity for first-time home buyers and investors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or want to schedule a private showing, please contact me directly.